A primary subdivision of a bureau with a department-wide responsibility for providing a specific specialized function. A. Section. B. Sector. C. Squad. D. Detail. Answer. A. Section. What do you call a subdivision of a squad? A. Section. B. Unit. C. Sector. D. Detail. Answer. D. Detail. What do you call a subdivision of a unit? A. Section. B. Unit. C. Squad. D. Detail. Answer. C. Squad. What do you call a subdivision of a section? A. Precinct. B. Unit. C. Squad. D. Detail. Answer. B. Unit. What do you call the primary geographic subdivision of a precinct? A. Post. B. Sector. C. Section. D. Unit. Answer. B. Sector. What do you call the primary subdivision of a sector? A. Post. B. Bit. C. Unit. D. Sector. Answer. B. Bit. One of several tours of duty is called A. Detail. B. Bit. C. Shift. D. Post. Answer. C. Shift. What do you call a fixed geographic location usually assigned to an individual officer? A. Post. B. Bit. C. Shift. D. Section. Answer. A. Post. What do you call the primary geographic subdivision of the Patrol Operation Bureau? A. Precinct. B. Section. C. Sector. D. Unit. Answer. B. Section. It means planning the work of the department and of the personnel in an orderly manner. A. Plan. B. Delegate. C. Oversee. D. Organize. Answer. D. Organize. It means that the supervisor ensures that the work that has been organized and delegated is satisfactorily completed. A. Plan. B. Delegate. C. Oversee. D. Organize. Answer? C. Oversee. It means giving someone else the responsibility and authority to do something. A. Plan. B. Delegate. C. Oversee. D. Organize. Answer? B. Delegate.